Good morning everyone. Today I am going to brief you about a project me, Om Kalodia and my partner Nitya Gupta have created. So let me tell you more about using QSAR models to identify endocrine disruptors in consumer chemicals and promoting hormone safety labels. So what this project is really about. As many of you may not know that many day-to-day products which we use have harmful chemicals like which can act as hormones in our body and affect the endocrine system of our body. The endocrine system of our body helps us with growth, metabolism, and development. So, if a chemical present in plastics, shampoos, and any cleaning essentials is acting as hormone and affecting the endocrine system, it is a really big deal. So, instead of testing all the chemicals in a lab, I use a computer method called QSAR modeling. If when we put a chemical in a QSAR model, the QSAR model can predict how the chemical would behave in a particular circumstance based on its structure. So what this project really means to do, like what is its goal. Many chemicals have not yet been tested that are commonly used in today's products. So we chose 15 commonly used consumer product that use many harmful chemicals. We put them in the QSAR toolbox to predict whether they are safe or harmful. And we mainly focus on estrogen and thyroid hormone binders. And we rated all the chemicals based on their safety structure. One of the chemicals we tested was BPA. BPA is commonly found in plastic bottles and food cans. And when we saw in the QSAR toolbox, we saw that BPA is strongly binds to estrogen receptors, so it is of high risk. Other chemicals which pose a high risk to our endocrine system are DEPH and methylparaben. On the other hand, lactic acid and citric acid showed no binding or hormone activities, so we marked them as safe. When we differentiated safer chemicals from harmful ones, we researched and proposed safer alternatives for them. Like we discussed earlier, BPA. Safer alternatives for BPA can be Triton and LPA, which are found in many bottles. I made a table on all the safer alternatives. We researched many, but these are just a few. Idea we came up with was the hormone safety label system, which uses common color methods, that is red, yellow, and green. Red meaning the chemical is of high risk, yellow meaning we have to remain cautious, and green meaning the product is safe to use. Our idea is to print these safety labels on the back of certain products. So when you see that there is a red label on a product, you should not buy that consumer product because that can pose high risk to your endocrine system. The same goes with yellow and green. In future, we plan to combine QSAR with AI to improve the prediction accuracy. Our goal is, as I mentioned earlier, is to partner with packaging firms to print the hormone safety ratings on back of products. The hormone safety ratings can also be in the form of a QR code. When we scan the QR code, it takes us to an app in which we can see whether all the chemicals present in the product are safe to use or not. This can increase transparency of what our product is really about. So, in conclusion, I would say that QSAR helped us to differentiate harmful chemicals and promote safer alternatives. And using technology and awareness, we can make our day-to-day products more safer to use. This is Om Kalotka signing off. Thank you for listening to me.